when you are reading your contract and be aware of a particular clause about creative rights. For me, where I am, this basically means anything that I produce or make for my classroom, since I'm technically working for my district, or you could think of it like in business terms, you're working for the company. They own it because you made it for them, right? So I can't just, my lesson Friday was really good, let me just post it to teacher pay teachers and get money for it. That's not how it works. Just to be honest, it's that way with most districts, that if you are producing something to sell in a teacher pay teacher store or something like that, you have to be doing that outside of the lessons that you are already making for your employer. I don't really have an alternative for you, but just be aware of your contract and your legal obligations. Like and follow for more.